Hey everybody, this is Ben, aka Zook, and got a very different video for you today. Not Minecraft, not any video game. Basically at work, when I get bored, I like to create stuff, and my fiance bought Tomb Raider, the new one. That's actually the subtitle. It's actually called Tomb Raider, the new one. And in it, one of the primary weapons is a climbing axe. And yesterday I came across 2 bits of wood and I thought, ooh, I put them together and make a really cool climbing axe. So I've done it, and I've done some modifications, and this is the result so far. And I've just basically, I like to make stuff out of any material I can find inside this warehouse. So as you can see, obviously got 2 bits of wood, shitloads of sellotape, cable ties, and this is just straps that you would find in boxes. I need to sharpen the end though before I can use it, but it does work. Look, it does stab quite well. Yeah, so I've tried swinging with it, but I haven't actually done like a proper strength test. I don't know whether or not I can. Come with me for one moment. I'm recording this on break while everyone else is off eating, munching, grumbling. Okay. Alright, here we go. Do a strength test on it. Okay, ready? 1, 2, 3. Okay. Strength test. It seems like it. Hold my weight. I think this could actually work. Better though if it was like a zombie apocalypse, I could just use it to like crack skulls or eye sockets. That's it. That's all this video was. It's just an attempt to show you my new little toy. I like making random stuff like this in the warehouse. It's like our warehouse manager left last week, and there was these masks of him hanging about. Sorry. And I decided to make these. Just out of using sellotape and the mask. Yeah, that's the kind of stuff I like to do. No redstone involved. Just sellotape. Alright, thank you very much for watching. If you like it, please remember to like and subscribe, and I think I should do some more of these videos when I create something else. See you later. Bye bye.